Hi, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin here with another video tutorial for you. I'm trying to think of a new opening, you guys, so if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to make this birthday card today. It is from our new Broadway birthday suite. It is in the annual catalog, and this is adorable set. I like this. I don't know why. So I decided to make a card, like a window sheet card. I'm not sure what they call this, but it's got a window sheet in an opening where you can actually see the inside of the card. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to be using the Broadway birthday stamp set and the Broadway Lights framelit dies. But we're not going to be, now this is using lovely lipstick and then some of the Broadway bound DSP. So we're going to use the theme of gold and black. Makes me think of the solid gold dancers. Y'all remember those? Yeah. Okay, so to make this card, we're going to start off first making our card base. So our card base is cut at 4 1/4 this way by 7 inches. The reason is because, like on this one right here, we only need this part up here, which is about 1.5 inches. And so normally I just fold my card over, but we're going to be using the scoreboard today. And we're going to take our card, put this over here for right now, and we are going to score it at the 5.5 inch mark. Okay, there we go. That's all we got to do. That's the only reason why we need the scoreboard. You can also use your trimmer to do that as well. Okay, we're going to pull out our little bone folder and burnish our little score line there. And then we're going to start, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our window sheet in there. And the window sheet, this particular one, is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 inches. And how I'm going to lay this down here, just kind of see where I'm at. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add adhesive. I'm just going to use my snail, and I'm going to go start the top of this piece up here and probably go down just a little bit. Just don't go down as far as this, the amount that's right here at your score line. So from your score line here, just kind of watch it to kind of make sure, because you don't want your card sticking, right? Right. And then we're going to take another piece of basic black, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 1 1/4. And we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put adhesive at the top here. Just make sure we don't go all the way down to the bottom, but enough so that it will adhere. And make sure the part that's not got adhesive goes on this side, or you know what's going to happen. You're going to have a closed card, which could possibly still work, but you may not like it. All right, just like that. All right, now we're going to take our gold foil sheet and we're going to lay that down. And these are cut at 1 1/4 by 4 inches. No, this is cut at 1 3/8 by 4 1/8. And don't worry, all the measurements will be on the blog or down below, or I should say below. And then this one is cut at 1 1/8 by 4 1/8. Oh no. And put this one down here. I can never line these up, guys. You know when I'm recording especially. Okay, now we're going to take our DSP. Again, this is from the Broadway bound, and it's got cakes on the other side. Isn't that cute? And then we're going to use the confetti side today. So this one is cut at 1 by 4 for layering effects, to make it layer right. Oh, this is a darling card. Okay, and then we're going to put our other piece up here. This is cut at 1 1/4 by 4. And we're going to lay this up here at the top. You know, this would be a great, like, over-the-hill birthday card or something, but still pretty. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and take our Whisper White for inside the card and lay that in here. Get this done. We'll come back and do our stamping. So I'm just going to lay this down. Yeah, right there. Look at that. It's almost done. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to die cut out using our dies. Die cut. We're going to run our dies, our framelits. Let's get it right, Denise. Framelits through the Big Shop. And we're going to be using this wish one to cut out this wish. And we're actually going to cut this out in Whisper White, Gold Foil, and Basic Black. And then we're going to cut 3 of these in Basic Black. And then the balloons at the top, I'm going to cut out using this circle right here with the Glimmer paper. And this is the little string, little black string right here. Okay? But I've already done that, of course. And I've got them right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my balloons together. And I need my lovely silicone sheet. So I'm going to bring these out, my little pieces here. Believe me, this is quicker than you guys watching me cut all this up. Okay, and I'm just going to run a little bit of adhesive. This looks like where I guess the bow would be, the top right here. And we're just going to layer. And I want to show you that we do leave that little piece. It's kind of like the end of the balloon right there. You know, that little flappy part. That's what I think it is anyways. So I'm going to leave that. And then I'll leave this one. All right. Now we're going to bring this over real quick. Oh, well, no, wait. Let's see. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our wish word. And this is how I'm going to lay them out. We're going to go with the black first. And then we're going to go with the Whisper White. Like this, like so. And with the gold. Okay, this is going to take me a minute to put together, so let me use some, I'll have to use some Tombow to put it on together, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I have the wish put together, and I just layered them. I'm going to show you guys, just kind of layered them on top of each other, and then I'm going to lay it down here on my card, on the bottom of the card, and kind of place it first to figure out where I'm going to put this adhesive, because I don't want to do the stamping yet, or it won't place right. Trust me. Ask me how I know. Oh, probably because I made a mistake earlier. So we're going to put adhesive just on the bottom half of this. And I'm just going to use this right here. And put this little W kind of at a slant. Just give it a little bit of character. Same way with this. We're going to kind of just do it at the bottom. Okay, and put our little wish right here. And then I have already done the little bitty dots right here, and I'm actually going to use a glue dot to attach that. So let's get a glue dot. That should be, yeah, okay. I'm going to place it on the window sheet right above the eye. Oh, that's cute. So cute. All right, now we're going to go ahead and place our balloons at the top, and we're just going to angle them a little bit and angle this one. Okay, that's just too cute. And then this one will go on top. Happy birthday to you. Look at that, that's so cute. All right, let's finish our stamping. We're gonna get in here and we're gonna use You're Never Too Old to Make a Wish. This one really needed that sentiment. I actually, on another card I made that I filmed that didn't turn out right, I used a different sentiment. And as I was looking at it, I thought, that needs this one. This black and white one needs this one. You know what I mean? Just does, right? All right, so we're going to get our Tombow out. Tombow. Yeah. Memento ink, Denise, not Tombow. Okay. I've been filming all day, guys. And visiting with family and, you know, getting some other stuff done. I just want to make sure that I put a little bit of re-inker on here, but I was afraid that it was going to take forever to dry. Okay, so I'm going to go about right there. Okay, so I need to lift up my card, and please let it be the right. Oh, sorry guys, I had to cough. All right, I'm gonna put I've got these little marks right here that I put earlier to kind of determine where I'm gonna lay my stamp down, and I'm gonna use it again because I want it to go right about there. So I'm gonna keep my card open, like right there, and then let's re-ink this in case it got dry. And I'm just gonna put my sentiment, and I know it is uneven. I can tell you. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. It is, maybe it's not. All right, look. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'd love to get this as a birthday card. All right, guys. Well, there it is. We have a very pretty, lovely lipstick, and then a nice little gold, black, and white theme. Again, makes me think of solid gold dancers. And for those that don't know, be thankful. Okay, guys, thanks for coming by. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. All the products that I've used today will be on my blog post link, which will be down below. And y'all, don't forget that I've got monthly craft kits now. So you need to sign up by the last day of the month. And the new one will be coming out on August 15th. And I can't wait for you guys to see that one. Okay, talk to you later. Toodles.